Hi, my name is MacKenzie and my partner's name is Sydney. You may not realize it, but everyone in the world experiences waves every day. From when we get up in the morning till we go to sleep at night, waves are always with us. Without waves, we couldn't see or hear anything we could now. I hope you enjoy this educational journey about waves and why we need them.
Hi ma'am, would you like to buy and try wave cookies, sound wave chips, and light wave juice?
Sure, but tell me a little about them first.
Well, let's start with wave cookies. Waves are a periodic disturbance in a solid, liquid, or gas as energy is transmitted through a medium.
My friend told me there are two types of waves. Can you tell me them?
Yes, there are two types of waves. There are transverse and longitudinal waves. Transverse waves are a wave in which the particles of medium move perpendicularly to the direction the wave is traveling.
What about longitudinal waves?
Longitudinal waves are waves in which the particles of a medium vibrate parallel to the direction of the wave motion.
What about wave speed, wavelength, and frequency?
Wavelength is how long the wave is, wave speed is how fast the wave goes, and frequency is the number of waves produced in a given amount of time.
What else is there about surface waves?
Amplitude is the maximum distance that particles of a wave's medium vibrate from their rest position. Reflection is the bouncing back of a ray of light, sound or heat when the ray hits a surface that it does not go through. Refraction is the bending of a wave as a wave passes between two substances in which the speed of the wave differs. Renaissance is the phenomenon that occurs when two objects naturally vibrate at the same frequency. Last but not least is standing wave, which is a pattern of vibrations that simulates a wave that is standing still.
Awesome!
Sure, I'll take a few boxes. What about sound wave chips?
Sound wave chips are not only great to eat, but are sound waves. Sound waves are a longitudinal wave that is caused by vibrations that travel through a material medium. A medium is a liquid, solid, or gas that a wave has to travel through.
Anything else?
Of course, pitch is the measure of how high or low a sound is. Loudness is the extent to which a sound can be heard, and a decibel is the most common unit used to measure loudness.
Isn't an echo a sound wave?
Yes, it is. An echo is a reflected sound wave.
My friend told me about interference. What is that?
Interference is a combination of two or more waves that result in a single wave. There is also sound quality and noise. Sound quality is the result of blending of several pitches through interference. Noise is a sound that consists of random mix of frequencies.
I only take one box of those. What about light wave juice?
Inside light wave juice, you'll find electromagnetic waves, radiation, visible light, the electromagnetic spectrum, absorption, scattering, and diffraction.
What are those things?
Electromagnetic waves are waves that consist of electric and magnetic fields that vibrate at right angles to each other. Radiation is the transfer of energy as electromagnetic waves.
Wow, I never knew that.
The electromagnetic spectrum is all of the frequencies or wavelengths to electromagnetic radiation. Absorption is the transfer of light to energy to particles of matter. Scattering is an interaction of light with matter that causes light to change its energy direction of motion or both. Finally, diffraction is a change in the direction of a wave when the wave finds an obstacle or an edge, such as an opening.
I'll take 2 bottles.
Great, your total comes to $40.
MacKenzie, the science girl. Waves rule. Mac. MacKenzie, the science girl. So you want to know what lasers are? Laser light shows are not only cool, but it's science.
Whoa, I never knew that!
Light application is stimulated energy of radiation.
Cool.
Laser light was first developed in the 20th century, stimulating light to a higher energy, and the use of mirrors to make laser light possible. Yeah.
Interesting.
There are gas, solid state, liquid, and chemical lasers. Plus, laser light only travels in straight lines. And the only color of light that a laser has is white light. Once the laser hits something, it scatters and bends, making the colors separate and making different colors.
MacKenzie, the science girl.
Yeah, woohoo!
R.
Oh, you're recording. Can you stop?
Oh!